Hi, trial balance or TB. Now, what is a trial balance? The trial balance is an accounting report which shows the closing balances of all general ledger accounts at a point of time. The debits and credits are equal in trial balance, as accounting is based on duality. The amount debited to any transaction will have the other effect of credit as well. Let's see now the use of trial balance. The accountant uses the trial balance to recheck all the balances and track if any errors there prior to prepare the final accounts. The auditors need trial balance from the company when they start audit to see which accounts to be checked thoroughly and what are the critical areas where more time and efforts to be put to enable them for a fair investigation. With the help of trial balance, the accountant prepares profit and loss account and the balance sheet. All the accounts appearing in trial balance of assets, liabilities, and equities will go in balance sheet, while accounts of revenues and expenses will go to profit and loss account. This is the trial balance specimen. We can see the column accounts number. Normally there are accounts number of each head of account, then the account's name, then debit side and the credit side, and the total is equal. There is a sequence there. When the trial balance is prepared, the current assets come up, then the fixed assets, then current liabilities, then long-term liabilities, then owners' equity, then revenues, and then the expenditure. Here we can see the current assets on the top, like cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, prepayments. These four are current assets. Then comes the fixed assets, which is machinery, furniture and fixture, vehicles. Then comes the current liabilities, which are creditors and accrued salaries. Then the long-term liabilities, which is a bank loan here. Then owner's equity. Then comes the revenue. The sales is a revenue there. And then comes all the expenditure, purchases, salaries and wages, transportation, electricity, rent, repair expenses, etc. We'll continue with the same trial balance to prepare profit and loss account and the balance sheet in next video. Thank you.